Okay, let us discuss today a very important Latin root, which is AC and ACR. It has four different shades of meanings. One of them is bitter. Then the second one is high. The third one is severe. And the fourth one is sharp. Okay, so remember these four meanings are four shades of meanings. All these four meanings are inclined towards high, something which means something which is severe, bitter, sharp, and hard. Now, I'm going to discuss the first word which has a meaning severe, and I think you know that word already, and that word is acute. Acute means severe. Now you know that in geometry there is an acute angle which is less than 90, and as that angle goes down, the particular corner becomes sharper and sharper. So therefore acute also means sharp. So acute has this AC in the spelling, which is the word that we can derive from this root AC and ACR. The meaning of acute is not only severe but also sharp. Now let us move forward. Now let us look at one word which has something related to sharpness of mind, and that word is acumen. Acumen is sharpness of mind, or you can say sharp intelligence, sharp way of understanding something. So if I say that Ratan Tata has a business acumen, then it means that he has a strong sense of understanding business. He quickly understands what is needed to be done in business. He has sharp intelligence. Ratan Tata has sharp intelligence. You can say political acumen, you can say singing acumen. Any sharp intelligence can be defined in terms of this word acumen. Now, let us look at one phobia, and that is phobia of height. Acrophobia. You know that phobia means fear, and this AC here it means height. So acrophobia is fear of height. Fear of height. At the same time, there is one more word which is based on this root AC, and that is acme. Acme means highest level of something, highest level. Okay, for example, Virat Kohli is on his acme of career. Virat Kohli, I'll write it down here. Virat Kohli is on his acme of his career. So, which means that he is on his highest level of career. So that is what is the meaning of this acme. There are some words which are synonymous with this. One is zenith. Zenith means highest point. Okay, and I'll give you a word, okay, which is opposite to it. So whenever I cross means opposite. So opposite to acme is nadir. So nadir means lowest level. Nadir means lowest level. Okay, right. Now I'll add one more word which has something related to severe, which is in fact a verb, and that is to exacerbate. EX. Remember, it starts with this prefix EX. Exacerbate. Also pay attention to the pronunciation of this word, which means exacerbate. Which is exacerbate. Now, what is to exacerbate? To exacerbate means to become or make severe. Become or make severe, right? So I'll write down, I'll just tell you one sentence having this root exacerbate. I can say that the patient's condition is exacerbating. The patient condition is exacerbating, which means the patient's condition is becoming severe. We can also say that rising petrol prices, okay, are exacerbating. Rising petrol prices is exacerbating the problems of the poor, which means the rising crude prices or petrol prices are making the problems of poor severe. So it either means become severe or make severe. That is what is this exacerbate. So you will often come across this word in the editorials of the newspaper. Please pay attention to this word and try to remember it with the help of this root. Now I'll discuss 4 words having something to with bitter. One word that you already know, and that is acidic. Acidic, something acidic is bitter in taste. Acidic remark, acidic taunt is a very insulting taunt, bitter taunt. Then acrimonious. Acrimonious. Now, if you look at this word acrimonious, it ends with this suffix ous, which means full of, right? So acrimonious is full of acrimony, which is bitterness, unfriendliness. Another word is acrid, and third one is acerbic. All these 4 words simply means being hostile and unfriendly.